So as soon we enter this Govindan's house, this Ramya's modular kitchen and interiors house, I just feel like a mini paradise. I have entered to a mini paradise. So I want to admire me in this. Okay. So I think I'm looking pretty in this mirror and this. Yes, false ceiling.
Very special false ceiling.
Okay.
So this is also customized as per.
Nice, and it's so blending. It calls so I feel like it's so blending. So it is very nice. It's very nice actually. So it's what is it, projected outside, no? But this is different actually. So this mold is so different.
In this merino laminate, we have used this as we have discussed earlier. This is texture laminate.
And then this bed. What you'll say this so it is called as post warming, right?
Yes.
So in our home actually, so this mirror, tell me about this mirror. What is the name of this mirror? Hi, hello, vanakkam and welcome to Ramya's Modular Kitchen and Interiors. You are about to watch our latest video with stunning interior works that will help you to imagine and plan your dream design home interior. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe our YouTube channel. Now please enjoy watching our YouTube channel. Thank you. Wow! Actually, now we are in the bedroom. This work is full and full of Ramya's modular kitchen and interiors work. No, Amit? Yeah, I just want to know about this wardrobe. So generally, we'll have a wardrobe come dressing table in our home. So, but this is different actually. So this mold is so different, and it's a matte finish, I believe. Is it?
Yes. So as you can see in this, this laminate is very much premium, which we call as texture laminate. So we have used the combination. In the single door, you can see double colors.
Yeah.
So this process is very delicate. It will take so much time for labor also. So we took as our own time and did our best with this. So as you can see, the result is very much appealing to our eyes. So it is very good product. As you can see, this door is actually post-forming. So you can see, you can feel like you can have that semicircled.
So it is called as post warming, right?
Yes.
So in our home, we'll be having the sharp edges. The sharp edges, no, while we have a kids at home, they will go and bang in the wood or they will get hurt. But in this, no, this texture is so nice and it's so blending. It calls, so I feel like it's so blending. So it is very nice actually. So this mirror, tell me about this mirror. What is the name of this mirror?
This mirror is also actually premium mirror. This is not like any ordinary mirror. So you can see this designs and everything.
Yes.
So here it is. There is actually like a magic in this. So you can just push it
Okay.
and it will open.
Oh my God.
From bottom you can just pull.
So generally we'll have a dressing mirror like this, and we'll have some handle here to pull in. Okay. So now in this, no, you have keeping a
Cosmetics we can.
what is this name?
Magnetic push this is. So
Okay.
here we can use that.
So magnetic push, and we can keep our cosmetics or makeup or perfumes, whatever we have. We have a valuable things. We can just keep it here and we can close it here. So it is.
You can again.
It's like a user friendly, and I love this so much. The design, no, they have did a very great job actually.
So this we have kept the spotlight on the top.
Okay.
You can admire yourself in front of the mirror.
With the light.
Yes.
Yeah.
Yes.
So I want to admire me in this. Okay. So I think I'm looking pretty in this mirror and this dressing table, I believe. And then this is the
Drawers
drawers.
for any kind of storage
Yes.
we can use.
And this is also a cupboard.
Yeah.
So they have nicely assigned, and you have a safety locker inside.
Yes. So all these are customized.
So everything is customized, and that too, this is Ramya's modular kitchen and home interiors home. No,
Yes.
so they have selected everything, each and everything they have selected nicely and have done a great job. Now I just want to see this. This is also a cupboard, right?
Yes.
With the hangers and the safety lockers, we can keep our dress. We can hang our dress, whatever we can do it here.
So we have utilized all the space here.
Yes, absolutely. What is the name of this fabric material?
This is merino laminate, we call it.
Okay.
So in this merino laminate, we have used this as we have discussed earlier. This is texture laminate, texture finish. So as you can just.
We have lot of textures and we have lot of
Yeah.
designs and colors in this.
Yes, we have n numbers of designs. We'll provide a catalog to the customer,
Okay.
so they can choose from a lot of choices. So this is one of the choices our sir actually chosen. So as you can see, this is a very good appealing eyes.
Yes, really, it's so appealing and it's so nice. It's so elegant actually. As soon we enter inside, no, this color and this work is looking so nice. And then you have a small what to say this showcase. Yes, small showcase with the LED lights. So sir have been planned very nicely here. So the lights are coming and going with the different colors. No, it's looking like what to say. We are in a party or we are in a heaven, like a feel it giving us. So it's so nice, and they have it was projected inside.
Yes.
Whereas the mirror, the glass, this is called a toughened glass or it's a normal glass?
It's just an ordinary.
It's ordinary glass, so it will not break or it will not dash or it will not bang.
It's meant for showcase.
Yes, it made for showcase, but it was projected inside. No,
Also placed in the perfect place. As you enter the bedroom, it will give like a.
Of course, yes, it's so nice. See, Amma. I didn't do anything. So, just coming to the wallpaper. This wallpaper. This is very nice actually. So this is also our Ramya Modular kitchen
Yes.
and home interiors, right?
Yes, yeah.
This is also theirs plan only.
Yes.
So this is also chosen by our sir,
Yeah.
right? Okay. And then this bed. What you'll say this?
This particular design is CNC cut.
Okay.
This we can do as many designs as we can. So there are so many designs, very innovative designs are there. So whichever suits our taste and our bedroom design, we can choose that. And as per our taste, we have chosen this. And as you can see, we have kept lights in the back of the designs.
Yes.
So when we on this light, it gives like a very pleasant feeling for a bedroom.
Yes.
So that's how it feels. Also in the center, we have given this foam.
Cushion. Yes, four.
Cushion foam.
Yes.
So with little pebbles inside, stones inside. So it will give like a royal bedroom feeling.
Yes.
So just as you enter, you will feel like you are in like a paradise.
Obviously, so I have to mention it. I have to mention it in the hall, but you have mentioned here itself. So as soon we enter this Govindan's house, this Ramya's Modular Kitchen and Interiors house, I just feel like a mini paradise. I have entered to a mini paradise. It was like that only. So each and everything, so in the bedroom or in the hall, everything, no, they have well designed and they have planned well and they have executed well. And then in the bedroom, in this bed, they have a storage. So they
All
kept
the storage we can also use.
Yes.
So this place we should not use. We should not
waste it. Yes.
That place also we have utilized here.
Yes. You have the open drawer there also, right?
Yeah.
It's like this. You have on the both faces.
Lift this bed.
Okay.
We have also kept storage in the center.
Oh, center also. So you can open like this and we can close it.
Yeah.
Okay.
Very rare things if you want to store, we can just dump it there.
If we are not going to use it, we can keep it in the center and it will be safe. And just I have a doubt. You have kept the yellow light inside. If we want, we can do it like this color LED.
Definitely we can do. There are options for that also.
Okay.
So this will actually give, this is warm light feeling. So it will give a warm feeling. So for TV unit, we can use like the show colors, like the very colorful colors. Everything is customizable, madam.
Okay, now I'm coming to this TV showcase and the beautiful showcase. Here also they have selected a what to say? It's a royal color. It's a royal. It's looking like a royal thing. So it is very nice actually. So it's what to say? Projected outside. No, is this a 3D or something?
This is actually
just a normal wallpaper, but it's projecting and it's looking, it's I think it's emblemed, no?
Yeah, this
it is.
TV unit, there is a speciality here, madam.
Yeah, tell me.
So here there is a beam pausing on the top.
Oh.
What we have done, this is actually a depth, just a depth here. So if you do a TV unit here, we will not be having
This
enough
much space. Okay.
So what we done, we just did an even space. So the matching the beam passing on the top.
Okay.
So and then we have kept the depth inside.
Oh.
In the depth, we just made it as a show unit.
Oh.
In the three sides, and in the center we have did for the TV.
Oh, it's so amazing. It's so nice. Actually, see this color, no, I love this color. It's a mild green with a golden combination. No? This paper is suiting this bedroom so well. So it's giving a pleasant and mild feeling. As when we enter inside, no, it will be a very mild feeling. And the showcase and the TV unit is also very nice with this LED lights, LED color lights, strip lights, yes, everything. So all the dolls and all the things was very nice. And just I want to ask about this false ceiling.
Very special false ceiling.
Okay.
So this is also customized as per our taste.
You know something? I love this heart shape very much. Wherever I go, wherever I see anything in the heart, I will get it immediately. So I'm going to ask Govindan sir, I'm going to take this to my home.
Definitely. We can do the same design for you also, madam.
Thank you so much. Tell me about this and how did you colored this thing? How did you select this?
So
color?
these are just very standard colors for Hot-In as well. So these are just red, as you can see that bright red. We can see that other shades of pink, the other shades of violet. So all this just matching the colors. And the lights also, as you can see, this is they can be like double colors, triple colors we have.
Oh,
So as we can see, this is a triple color.
okay.
It will change colors as per our false ceiling. It will also match the false
LED
ceiling.
strips.
Yes.
Okay. So it was really nice actually.
All these are well planned and designed false ceiling.
Of course, yes. And then see what is there. It's a working table, I think. So we have a working table here. Ramya Modular Kitchen and Interiors or a YouTube channel like பண்ணுங்க, share பண்ணுங்க and subscribe பண்ணுங்க. மறக்காம கீழ bell icon இருக்கும். அதை press பண்ணுங்க. அப்படி press பண்ணீங்கனா தான் latest interior videos எல்லாம் நீங்க பார்க்க முடியும். நம்ம YouTube சேனல்ல வர home interiors ஏதாவது உங்களுக்கு பிடிச்சிருந்து அதோட ரேட் என்ன அப்படின்னு தெரியலையே நீங்க வருத்தப்படுறீங்களா? கவலையே படாதீங்க. நம்மளுடைய டிஸ்கிரிப்ஷன் பாக்ஸ்ல ஜெனரல் எஸ்டிமேட்னு ஒரு லிங்க் இருக்கும். அதை நீங்க கிளிக் பண்ணீங்கன்னா என்ன பிரைஸ், என்ன கிரேட் எல்லாமே டீடைலா அதுல இருக்கும். இன்னுமும் உங்களுக்கு சந்தேகம் இருந்ததுன்னா கீழவே கான்டாக்ட் நம்பர் இருக்கும். அதுக்கு நீங்க கால் பண்ணீங்கன்னா இன்னும் விலாவரியா எல்லா சந்தேகங்களையும் நீங்க தீர்த்துக்கலாம்.
நான் திரைப்பட இயக்குனர் வசனகர்த்தா லியாக்கத் அலி கான். ரம்யா மாடுலர் கிச்சன் அண்ட் இன்டீரியர்ஸ் யூடியூப் சேனலுக்கு லைக் பண்ணுங்கள், ஷேர் பண்ணுங்கள், சப்ஸ்கிரைப் பண்ணுங்கள். மறக்காமல் பெல் ஐக்கானை ப்ரெஸ் பண்ணுங்கள். அப்படி ப்ரெஸ் பண்ணால் உங்களுக்கு லேட்டஸ்ட் வீடியோ நிறைய கிடைக்கும்.
ரம்யா மாடலிங் கிச்சனுக்கு லைக் பண்ணுங்கள், ஷேர் பண்ணுங்கள், சப்ஸ்கிரைப் பண்ணுங்கள்.
ரம்யா மாடல் கிச்சன் யூடியூப் எல்லாரும் பாருங்கள், லைக் பண்ணுங்கள், ஷேர் பண்ணுங்கள், சப்ஸ்கிரைப் பண்ணுங்கள். மறந்துடாதீங்க, மிஸ் பண்ணிடாதீங்க, கண்டிப்பாக பாருங்கள்.
ரம்யா மாடுலர் கிச்சன் அண்ட் இன்டீரியர்ஸ் யூடியூப்க்கு லைக் பண்ணுங்கள், ஷேர் பண்ணுங்கள், சப்ஸ்கிரைப் பண்ணுங்கள். மறக்காமல் கீழே இருக்க பெல் பட்டனை ப்ரெஸ் பண்ணுங்கள்.
Thank you so much for watching our video. If you have any suggestions or review about us, please let us know in the comments below. To watch more creative and elegant videos like this, please subscribe to our YouTube channel. And don't forget to click the bell icon to get the latest interior projects. If you wanted your home interior to be designed by us, contact us with the number provided in the description below. Here they have some working table with a rolling chair. So they have very well planned and they have designed it
So in the overall, you will get like an feeling for work.
but here it's going so nice and it's closing.
Pleasant feel. It will give some pleasant feel when you are working.
Full size mirror.
Full size mirror.
Okay.
So here, just